Hey guys, this is a new video. We are going to be making some cool stuff, and all you need is paper and scissors. Let me go get that. Okay guys, I got it. So, you get the paper, and you make it this big. See? Like the other videos. And then you do it like that, because you fold them different ways like that, and then you do that. Ta-da! And let's see. Well, guys, please like and subscribe on this video. But you see this? You might want to do it out of tissue paper. The same steps. You might want to get some tissue paper instead of paper, because this is how it goes. See? It just falls. But I'll show you the tissue paper version. Let me get it. Okay, so they are savage. So guys, I got it. See? And then see? It should do that. See? It should like just tumble like this. It should. But the paper version, it should just like fall. But with this, I'm going to show you how to cut it into the shape. Okay. I cut it. Well, it's very hard to do this. Whoa, see, it should like do that. Because I have my fan on, of course. And this, we're going to be making into this. And you might want to get like a big giant book or a cardboard, a big giant piece of cardboard, and then fly it around your house. But you have to like drop it, and then you get your cardboard and go, and it just goes tumbling. But so fold it like that. See that? And then you fold it the other way. See? See? Like that. And then see? You got that. And know what? You're done. Just kidding. You're not done. You're not done yet. Of course you're not done. We want it to be this. And then you cut right here. And then that's how you make it. That's just the tissue paper version. And that's just the tissue paper version. But I made this one this morning, and then this one now. But anyways, so the paper version just falls. It just falls. It looks like a paper clip, but it just falls. It looks like a not a paper clip, you know the stapler like things, the metal things for staplers and stuff, but it looks like that, but this version does not fly. But anyhow, you can do this. So, you get your paper, cut it into a square, cut it into a square, then I suggest tiny itty bitty squares, because we're making a cute doggy too. I know this thing has 2 things in it, and that's what is pretty cool. And see, you get a tiny square, you fold it like this. We're making a paper doggy, so we fold it like this. You might want to cut off the extras. See, like this. And then you fold the back like that. And then you fold the tip of there, and then you fold the back. Then you fold the back like that, and then you get the ears, and you put them down like that, and then the body. Then again, we want to make another triangle. Like this. And then you get the very tip, like one of the corners, and you fold it like that. And then you want to get the head out of the dog, and then you want to flap that piece there, and then make a hole there. Make a hole there, and then get the body, and then you got it through the hole, and then you fold it, and then you fold the back of it up again, and then wait a minute, but make sure not to do it backwards, or it would be a backwards dog. Like, its body would be backwards. And then you fold the thing down like that, and there you got the body and stuff, but you want details, right? but this is the one that I made way before this video I made, and let me show you it. But I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. I lost it, but it's somewhere. I can't find it, but I lost it, but it's somewhere. But anyways, it's fine. But we do that, and then details, of course. Then you want to get a black Sharpie, and then do the eyes. But if the nose is like down more, you might want to push it up, and then there you go. You got yourself a paper puppy. And then there you go. And you might want to do some more detail for the ears and the body. You might want to like just do little squigglies to make it look like fur. And also on the tail. There you go. And that's all for today. And please like and subscribe, and put a comment down below if you didn't yet. And also click the notifications bell for more. And in the next video, we are going to be making a piñata. And this is the kind of piñata. A Fortnite piñata. This is a V-Bucks piñata I made. And this is my llama piñata I made. See? And then that's for the next video. We're going to make a Fortnite piñata. And do you want to know what kind? Okay. If you want to know, then leave a comment down below and click the notifications button for more, and subscribe to my channel. And bye guys, have a good rest of your day. Bye.